The prickly pear cactus, a symbol of resilience, thriving in arid landscapes where few plants dare to grow. This remarkable plant has adapted to some of the harshest environments on Earth, showcasing nature's incredible ability to survive and flourish against all odds. For centuries, its vibrant fruit has been a staple in cultures across the globe, from the indigenous peoples of the Americas to the sun-drenched Mediterranean. These fruits, often called tunas, are not only a source of sustenance but also a cultural symbol, celebrated in festivals and traditional dishes. But hidden within this prickly exterior lies a treasure trove of nourishment and healing, the prickly pear seed. These seeds, encased in the juicy flesh of the fruit, are often discarded, yet they hold immense potential. These small, often overlooked seeds hold a remarkable history. They have been used in various forms, from ground into flour to pressed for oil, each method unlocking different benefits. Revered by ancient civilizations for their medicinal properties and life-sustaining nourishment, they have been passed down through generations, woven into traditional remedies. Ancient texts and artifacts reveal their use in treating ailments, boosting energy, and even in spiritual rituals. Today, science is beginning to unlock the secrets behind these ancient practices, revealing a wealth of health benefits that have the potential to revolutionize our approach to wellness. Modern research has shown that prickly pear seeds are rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins, making them a powerful addition to our diets. Join us as we embark on a journey to discover the wonders of prickly pear seeds, from their rich history to their incredible potential to enhance our health and well-being. We will explore how these seeds are harvested, processed, and utilized in contemporary wellness practices, and how they continue to be a timeless treasure in our quest for a healthier life. Encased within the vibrant flesh of the prickly pear fruit lies a multitude of tiny dark seeds. Each seed is a marvel of nature, a testament to the plant's ability to thrive in harsh conditions. Their small size belies a remarkable resilience, a capacity to withstand extreme temperatures and prolonged drought. The seed coat, tough and protective, shields the delicate embryo within, safeguarding its potential for life. Inside, nestled within the endosperm, lies a rich storehouse of nutrients, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all waiting to be unlocked. These tiny seeds, often discarded without a second thought, are in fact miniature powerhouses of nutrition, packed with a potent combination of health-boosting compounds. Don't let their diminutive size fool you. Prickly pear seeds are nutritional giants. They are a rich source of essential fatty acids, particularly linoleic acid, which is omega-6, and alpha-linolenic acid, which is omega-3. These fatty acids are crucial for maintaining healthy cell membranes, regulating blood pressure, and supporting brain function. Beyond fatty acids, prickly pear seeds are abundant in antioxidants, including vitamin E, flavonoids, and betalains. These powerful compounds combat oxidative stress, protecting our cells from damage caused by free radicals. This in turn can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Incorporating prickly pear seeds into your diet is like giving your body a nutritional boost, a gift of wellness packed into a tiny package. Prickly pear seeds, with their nutty flavor and satisfying crunch, offer a unique culinary experience. While often consumed alongside the sweet and juicy flesh of the fruit, the seeds can also be enjoyed on their own, adding a delightful texture and earthy note to a variety of dishes. In Mexico, where the prickly pear cactus is deeply ingrained in the culinary tradition, the seeds are ground into a fine flour called zocomal. This versatile flour can be used to make tortillas, breads, and even desserts, lending a unique flavor and nutritional boost to traditional recipes. From sweet to savory, the culinary possibilities of prickly pear seeds are endless, inviting us to explore new flavors and embrace the bounty of nature's pantry. Section 5. Ancient Wisdom, Modern Science. For centuries, traditional healers have recognized the therapeutic potential of prickly pear seeds. These seeds, often overlooked in the modern world, have been a cornerstone in various traditional medicine practices. In Mexico, a decoction made from the seeds has been used to treat urinary tract infections, showcasing the plant's versatile healing properties. This practice has been passed down through generations, highlighting the deep-rooted knowledge of indigenous cultures. While in other cultures, It has been applied topically to soothe burns, wounds, and skin irritations. The seed's natural compounds help accelerate the healing process and reduce inflammation, making them a valuable resource in traditional medicine. Modern science is now beginning to validate these traditional uses. Researchers are delving into the biochemical properties of prickly pear seeds, uncovering the scientific basis for their therapeutic effects. Studies have shown that prickly pear seed oil, rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and wound healing properties. These findings are paving the way for new natural treatments in modern medicine. It has also been shown to improve skin hydration, making it a popular ingredient in skincare products. The oil's ability to lock in moisture helps maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. Additionally, it can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, offering a natural alternative to synthetic anti-aging products. The antioxidants in the oil combat free radicals, which are responsible for skin aging, and protect against UV damage. This protective quality is crucial in preventing skin cancer and other UV-related skin issues, making prickly pear seed oil a multifaceted skincare solution. As research continues to uncover the remarkable benefits of prickly pear seeds, the scientific community is increasingly recognizing the value of traditional knowledge. This convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science is leading to innovative health solutions. We are reminded of the profound connection between nature and human health, a relationship that has been nurtured for centuries. The harmony between traditional practices and scientific validation underscores the importance of preserving this knowledge, a wisdom passed down through generations and now being confirmed by modern science. This enduring legacy highlights the timeless relevance of natural remedies in promoting health and well-being. Section 6. The healing touch of prickly pear. The health benefits of prickly pear seeds extend far beyond their nutritional profile. These tiny seeds hold a wealth of medicinal properties, offering a natural approach to addressing a variety of health concerns. Studies have shown that prickly pear seed oil, with its high concentration of antioxidants and essential fatty acids, can help lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood sugar spikes, and improve insulin sensitivity. These properties make it a valuable ally in the fight against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. From promoting heart health to supporting healthy aging, prickly pear seeds offer a holistic approach to wellness, harnessing the power of nature to nurture our bodies from the inside out. Section 7. Selecting and storing your prickly pear bounty. In this section, we'll guide you through the process of choosing the best prickly pear fruits and how to store them properly to maintain their freshness and flavor. When selecting prickly pear fruit, look for plump, firm fruits with vibrant skin free from blemishes. The skin should be smooth and unbroken, indicating that the fruit is ripe and ready to be enjoyed. The color of the fruit can vary depending on the variety, but it should be consistent and intense. Some common colors include green, yellow, red, and purple. Each color represents a different flavor profile, so feel free to experiment and find your favorite. Avoid fruits that are bruised, shriveled, or have soft spots. These signs indicate that the fruit is overripe or damaged, which can affect its taste and texture. Always choose fruits that feel heavy for their size, as this is a good indicator of juiciness. Once you've brought your prickly pear bounty home, store them in the refrigerator. Keeping them cool will help preserve their freshness and prevent them from spoiling too quickly. They will keep for up to a week, but for optimal flavor and texture, it's best to enjoy them within a few days. The sooner you consume them, the better they will taste, offering a delightful burst of sweetness and juiciness. To prepare the fruit, carefully remove the spines using a vegetable peeler or a sharp knife. Be cautious during this step, as the spines can be quite sharp and may cause injury if not handled properly. Once the spines are removed, you can slice the fruit, scoop out the flesh, and enjoy it fresh, or use it in your favorite recipes. Prickly pear fruit can be a versatile ingredient, adding a unique flavor to salads, smoothies, desserts, and even savory dishes. Experiment with different culinary creations to fully appreciate the deliciousness of this exotic fruit.